Alrighty guys, what do we have here today? What do we have? What the heck is this? Do you guys see how large this thing is? This is a 90 millimeter J10, aka the Animal. Took a while to print. I did not print it right. I should have printed it denser with smaller layer heights. I printed it at 2, the way I do all my small stuff. And when you do bigger stuff like this, it has longer gaps between the infill of the printing. So it's a little soft in the middle of like the infill. So I thought it was going to work okay, but whatever. It is what it is. It's if it crashes, it crashes. I don't get upset with this kind of stuff. I was going to do gear on the bottom. You can see all the holes, but I don't have time for it. All the intricate, like the nose wheel steering, servo in the airstream of the fan. Like, I don't know, man. I couldn't get my hand in there. It's just, I just want to fly. I just want to throw it, fly it, put it in the car. So anyway, I did a little bit of fiberglassing in some areas that I know are going to get a little bit beat up. So just strengthen it a little bit. I don't know if it's going to fly. I have no idea. I know the J10 is a little hairy. It's a little rolly. The roll axis is insane. Everything is actually insane. All the controls are really get this thing going. So I don't know how the 90 is going to react. It's going to be hard to throw because it's hard to hold it on the bottom because it's so wide and soft. So I'm gonna chuck it up before people get here because I don't want people around when this thing is up there because it's big. And yeah, I'm obviously delaying like I do in all my big throw videos. The 90 gets the juices flowing. It's got way better than 1-to-1 thrust, I'll tell you that much. So I'm gonna put a little reflex in it initially, which I already have actually, just to get it flying. And let's just, all we could do is chuck it, right? That's all we could do. I'm gonna just throw it up, hope for the best here. I don't know where to go really so that I can land this beast. I guess I'm just gonna land it right through this little lane right here. All right, I'm gonna just throw it straight, I guess. I can't really hold it anywhere. There's nowhere to hold this thing. Okay, ready? I can't really hold it. That's the problem. Damn. Nowhere to hold this thing. It's gonna fly. I'm having a lot of trouble gripping it because I put fiberglass and that was a stupid mistake. I have to hold it on the CG and I really don't want to do that. All right, I'm gonna go. Oh fuck. Yes. Oh my God. Oh man. Look at this thing. Holy. Oh my God, I did not think it was gonna fly this good. I mean, I did. I did. It's a little nose heavy, which is fine. Look at this beast. Oh, look at this thing. Holy. Oh my God. Guys, the 90 J10 is absolutely insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at it. Wow. I could use a little bit more. I mean, the rates are perfect. I could use maybe just a tad more elevator maybe. Yeah, I gotta trim it a little bit more. She flies so nice though, guys. Oh my God. Wow. What a fantastic, unbelievable. The J10, the bigger you make it, the better it flies. Look at this beautiful plane. Oh my God, a guy just lit a rocket off and I literally just scared me. Oh my God, the roll's perfect. 60 or 70% roll rate. So awesome, guys. Oh my God, nothing is... Uh-oh, I lost control. I have full loss of control right now. I have nothing. I lost everything and it's gliding down right now. Look at this. I lost everything. I lost everything and it's not going to crash. I mean, it crashed, but it didn't. I completely lost everything. I had absolutely, totally, it wasn't even a dead stick. I didn't lose, I lost everything. I lost all control. I don't know what happened. It was a brownout. Oh, I must have melted a connector. I think what happened was I had, I hope this is repairable. I need to make another one of these ASAP. Oh, that is a huge bummer. I lost everything. It was definitely a connection melted. I believe that that I had a Dean's to I think it was like a little bridge connector to adapt XT90 to Dean's, and I believe that it melted. Yep, I called it. Too small of a wire. Right there. There's the culprit right there. What a stupid idiot. The good news is it's just the front. It's literally just the battery. I can fix this. Wow, the fiberglass even held up on the bottom. I don't even think this is broken. Let's see. Let's see if it's how bad it is. Oh my God, it held up. Everything is fine. All I need is a nose. Wow. I mean, did you guys see that? How great that was? Holy crap. I mean, even though it crashed, I'm still okay. I mean, I'm not upset because of how well this thing flew. So I definitely need a little bit more elevator authority. So I'm going to try and, if I can change the servo locations on the bottom, I'm going to do that. But that was, I mean, how, I wouldn't, this thing came down as if I was guiding it down. If I lost power and I had to glide it, I might have probably tried to gain a little bit more airspeed and flare it smoothly. But did you see how soft that thing came down? Wow, and the fiberglass saved it on the bottom. Wow, absolutely amazing, this thing. And it was pretty easy to hand launch. Very happy with it. Pretty crazy stuff. All right, well, I'm gonna stop this video here so I don't bore you guys, and I will definitely come back to this and get this thing going again.